Hi, I'm Rob Shore from Infinera here at MEF 19. And a lot of interesting things that we're seeing happening at the show. A lot of it's promoting Infinera's general portfolio and solution strategy in general. One of the big things that we're a big believer on, it's good for the industry, it's good for network operators, and certainly good for innovative solution providers, is this big trend towards open disaggregated solutions. Instead of the networks being built by these big giant monolithic chassis, people are trending now more towards these open disaggregated building blocks. The nice part about that is it accelerates innovation, it lowers the cost of networking, and it makes networks more flexible. The downside, of course, is it requires more automation, it requires more coordination between those elements to effectively be able to get services across those networks. And this is one of the big areas where MEF really comes in and helps out. With the whole concept of standardizing interfaces, communication interfaces with the lifecycle service orchestration, it helps to coordinate service activation and network management, network control across multiple vendors, multiple products, multiple layers, particularly with these disaggregated solutions. And that's what MEF has been helping with for several years now. And what we're starting to see at this show is kind of the next evolution of that. Now that you have the coordination, and a lot of it's being done with these big giant processing engines with these cloud-based networking, you're able to actually add a machine learning and artificial intelligence component to it. So now the idea isn't just being reactive or reacting to instructions, but it's actually learning what happens in the network, and it's recognizing that, hey, if A, B, and C happened, D is probably likely to follow. Right? And so the first step of this is to just report on that, to say, hey, A, B, and C happened, get ready for D, and then you can react to it. Over time, though, you can actually have it learn what to do when A, B, and C happens. So it says, hey, when A, B, and C happens, last time you told me to do X, Y, and Z. So maybe I can preempt that and act proactively when I see A, B, and C happen. And that's where you get the closed loop automation aspect of automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Recognize what's happening, identify patterns, and understand what to do when you see those patterns, and overall provide a better user experience for the end user, reduce failures, and just make networks operate more efficiently. And again, MEF's a valuable part in this is standardizing all of these interfaces so all of these software components can communicate together and better coordinate their activity for an overall better network, more efficient network.